I'm so happy. I gotta do this. I'm trying to do this without crying. But you guys, we can't forget about how important Islam is. We can't forget about how important Islam is. I was that person that couldn't breathe anymore. I didn't know who to turn to. And Islam found me. I did not go looking for Islam. Allah sent me a gift through a gift. Please don't ever forget about how important Islam is. All the Muslims, you were chosen. Allah gave you Islam, and it's a test. Don't take it for granted. Alhamdulillah.
Hey, don't scroll. You're going to want to hear this. About 70,000 Christians are converting to Islam every single year. Why is this? As a Christian that converted to Islam myself, I could tell you that there's so many people out there that don't even know about Islam. People might look at Muslims and